Let's unbox this 3-piece garage tool organizer. Awesome mounting hardware.
These long pieces just fit in there with a friction fit, and they're captured in those slots. You can see these will expand open to accept any broom handles or mop handles.
Let's get these installed and we'll show you what it's all about.
I'm finding a good spot to place them, just seeing if I can find a comfortable height and location. Here they are installed, and I give it my first test run. Yeah, looks good, works great. Here you can see everything in its place. Everything's easy to get to, up, out of the way, clean and organized.